the title today, I may have the distinction of having the longest title here at the conference, but really what we're going to be talking about today is making sure that your product basically survives out in the real world once you've deployed it or someone's bought it. So what's a chaotic environment? So in my company, we're working with image recognition in retail. And what's chaotic about that is the retail space itself. There are people and shopping carts and blades on shelves and all sorts of displays that get in the way. There's incredibly poor lighting for computer vision, all sorts of reflective things and lots of fluorescent lights. And the entire situation is usually inside of a giant Faraday cage as well. So that's incredibly chaotic. And then the products themselves that we're recognizing, those change. There's a churn of about 25 to 50% a year. So in a store that might have 100,000 items, there's going to be, by the end of the year, 30,000 changes or new products that have come in. I don't want to tell people what isn't chaotic, because as I started thinking about it, we all probably operate in a lot of chaotic environments, even to the casual observer that might see something as not chaotic. Those of us that are dealing with large data sets and measuring in these environments find that there's a lot of chaos and change. I won't be pedantic too much here and tell you what a product is, but I just kind of want to remind everyone that a product isn't always something that can be held in a hand. We're often producing things that it's a software component, it's an API endpoint. So there's a lot to this that other than just the standard definition of a product. And likewise, the idea of a user, we have other things other than a single human as a user. We've got organizations, we've got cities and governments that are our users, and we also have non-human users now. A lot of that, whether it be, it might be a robot, it might be a sailboat.